Hey signers, let's put your fingerspelling to the test. If you love quizzes like this, we have tons on our Learn How to Sign Accelerated program, so you can practice to your heart's desire. Now, let's get started in learning how to sign fingerspelling. Before we get started, here is my biggest tip. When you are reading the word, do just that. Read the word. Don't look at each individual letter. It's the same as practicing when you're reading a text. You are training your brain to read fingerspelling. Okay, are you ready? Awesome. The category is sports equipment. So, let's get started. Okay, let's see how you did. Number 1, bat. Number 2, mitt. Number 3, pads. Number 4, skis. Number 5, ball. Number 6, gloves. Number 7, helmet. Number 8, jersey. Number 9, racket. And number 10, paddle. Fingerspelling practice is so important because fingerspelling will always be in ASL conversations. Also, don't forget to check out our accelerated program. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.